Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Champions. And today we've got an amazing cardio workout that's going to get your heart pumping, boost your energy, and help you burn some serious calories. So, if you're ready to break a sweat, let's dive right into it. Warm up. Before we jump into the intense stuff, let's start with a quick warm up to get our muscles ready for action. Remember, warming up is crucial to prevent injuries and ensure a more effective workout. Main cardio circuit. Now that we're warmed up, it's time to kick things up a notch with our main cardio circuit. We'll be doing a combination of exercises to target different muscle groups and keep that heart rate up. Jump squats. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, lower into a squat, and explode up into a jump. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and bring your knees towards your chest in a running motion. Burpees. From a standing position, jump, go into a plank, do a push-up, jump back up, and repeat. High-intensity interval training height cardio moves. Incorporate 30 seconds of high-intensity moves like jumping lunges, high knees, or butt kicks between each exercise for an extra challenge. Perform the circuit for 3 rounds with short breaks in between. Cool down. Great job on that cardio circuit. Now, let's bring our heart rate down and stretch those muscles to aid recovery. Demonstrate and explain cool down exercises like static stretches for the legs, arms, and torso. Congratulations on completing this cardio workout. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate this routine into your weekly schedule. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Champions for more fitness content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a workout. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fit, stay healthy.